Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the KitchenAid Food Chopper. It's 3.5 cups, 830 milliliters. It quickly chops, mixes, and purees with ease. Let's see what's inside the box. We have a manual that tells you how to use it, how to clean it, the warranty, the registration, and different languages. It's packaged really nice. It has this little cover over it. I don't know what it's made out of. And on top of that was cardboard. Okay, so the parts and features. This is the drizzle basin. This is the lid. This is the pulse on button. This goes between chop and puree. This is the work bowl with the handle. It's got a pour spout on it. I haven't quite figured out how to take the lid off yet. And this is what it sits on. This is the spindle. Here is the base, and it's got a power cord wrap, so it helps keep it out of the way. And it's heavy duty. All right, so in the instructions it was not clear how to take the lid off. I didn't know whether you pulled up or whatever. You just turn this and then lift it up. And then you put it down and turn it back. So that was good to know because I probably would have broke it. Of course, you'll have to clean all of this before you use it for the first time. But you put this down, snap it into place, fill it full of food, and then put that down, push that down, and then lock it into place. And then you can use this, push down to pulse, use this for chop, and change that for puree. There you have it, a cute little food chopper. This is a KitchenAid, so I'm sure it's going to work just fine. KitchenAid is a good brand. So let me get this cleaned up and we'll make something fun. It's got a safety feature. It wasn't completely pushed far enough away. So I tried it and it finally is working. Move it over to puree. We'll puree it for 35 to 40 seconds. Add more water if you need to. I'm going to add just a little bit. Put the lid back on, make sure it goes down completely. And make sure it is engaged. And then just run that until it is nice and creamy. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really, really good. So my final thoughts. This is a KitchenAid. It performs really, really well. It's not an expensive KitchenAid. It's very reasonably priced. And therefore, it also operates like a cheaper unit. Some of the things that I'd like to comment on is I did not try the chop. I've just tried the puree. I didn't try the pulse. What you have to do, unlike probably a regular chopper, is push a button and it goes, and then you push a button and it stops. This one you have to hold down the whole entire time for it to puree or chop. If you want to pulse, you would just be pushing it up and down like that. But that's not a deal breaker. I actually like this. The other thing is you got to make sure that it locks into place. If you don't, safety feature, which is wonderful, it will not engage, it will not start. I thought I had a broken unit, and then when I moved it over and it clicked into place, then it worked. So I like that feature. I was panicking until I figured it out. The one thing I didn't like, and that has nothing to do with the unit, And that was in the instructions. It did not tell me how to take the lid off. I was so afraid I was going to break that. So I went ahead and Googled it to find out how to take the lid off. But all in all, for the price that it is, it works really, really well. The puree function was wonderful. I made the chocolate hummus probably about a minute and a half after scraping down the sides and everything. I got a really nice creamy hummus out of the deal. It worked really, really well. The blades were good. It is a small unit and it only holds 3.5 cups. But for small salsa making, for dips, for hummus, it is the perfect size. I definitely think it's worth the money, and I'll put a link down in the description box below where you can go check it out on Amazon. So there you have it, the 3.5 cup KitchenAid Food Chopper. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.